Imagine earning money while you sleep, travel, or spend time with loved ones. Sounds impossible? Not at all. Today we're uncovering some of the best passive income streams you probably haven't heard of. Welcome to today's video on passive income streams that you might not know about. Passive income is money you earn with little to no effort on your part after the initial setup. Imagine getting paid regularly without actively working for each paycheck. It's like planting a tree once and enjoying the fruits for years to come. Passive income has several benefits. First, it provides financial stability. Even if you lose your primary job, you still have money coming in from other sources. This reduces stress and gives you peace of mind. Second, it allows you to build wealth over time. By reinvesting your passive income, you can grow your earnings exponentially. Finally, it gives you more freedom. With multiple income streams, you can choose how to spend your time, whether it's traveling, spending time with family, or pursuing hobbies. Diversifying your income sources is crucial for long-term financial health. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. If that source dries up, you could face financial difficulties. By having multiple streams, you spread the risk and ensure a steady flow of income. This way, you are better prepared for any economic downturns or unexpected expenses. In this video, we'll explore various passive income streams that you might not be aware of. These options can help you achieve financial independence. Let's dive in and discover the opportunities that await you. 1. Dividend investing. Dividend investing involves buying stocks that pay out regular dividends to shareholders. Dividends are portions of a company's profits that are distributed to investors, usually on a quarterly basis. This means that when you own dividend stocks, you receive regular payments just for holding the shares. To select high-yield dividend stocks, start by looking for companies with a strong track record of paying dividends. Check their dividend yield, which is the annual dividend payment divided by the stock price. A higher yield means more income. However, don't just go for the highest yield. Consider the company's financial health, stability, and ability to continue paying dividends in the future. Companies with a history of consistent dividend growth are usually a good bet. Reinvesting dividends is a powerful strategy for compound growth. Instead of taking the dividend payments as cash, you use them to buy more shares of the stock. This means you'll earn even more dividends next time, creating a snowball effect. Over time, this compounding can significantly increase your investment's value and provide a growing stream of passive income. 2. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending, or P2P lending, is a method of lending money to individuals or businesses through online platforms that match lenders with borrowers. It cuts out traditional banks, allowing lenders to earn interest directly from borrowers. To get started with P2P lending, you can use platforms like Lending Club or Prosper. First, sign up on one of these platforms and create an account. You'll then be able to browse loan listings, which detail the amount requested, the purpose of the loan, and the borrower's creditworthiness. Choose the loans you want to invest in and decide how much to lend. The platform handles the rest, from processing the loan to collecting repayments. Expected returns from P2P lending can vary, but typically range from 5% to 10% annually. However, there are associated risks. Borrowers might default on their loans, leading to a loss of your investment. Diversifying your investments across many loans can help mitigate this risk. Also, be aware that P2P loans are not FDIC insured, so there's a higher level of risk compared to traditional savings accounts. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions about passive income, and share your own experiences or tips with the community. 3. Create an online course. Creating an online course is an excellent way to generate passive income by sharing your knowledge and expertise. Start by identifying a niche or area where you have specialized knowledge or skills. Think about what you're passionate about and what others are eager to learn. Once you've chosen your topic, select a platform to host and sell your course. Popular platforms include Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera. These platforms provide the tools to create, market, and sell your course to a broad audience. Create engaging content such as video lectures, quizzes, and assignments to enhance the learning experience. The passive income potential through course sales is significant. Once your course is created and uploaded, it can continue to generate income for years as students enroll and pay for access. Regularly updating your course and marketing it effectively can help maximize your earnings. 4. Write an ebook. Writing an ebook is another great way to earn passive income. Start by choosing a profitable topic. Consider what you know well and what potential readers are interested in. Research the market to identify gaps or high-demand subjects. Once you have your topic, follow these steps to write, publish, and market your ebook. 1. Outline your book and write the content. 2. Edit and proofread to ensure high quality. 3. Design an attractive cover and format the book for e-readers. 4. Publish your ebook on platforms like Amazon Kindle, Direct Publishing, Apple Books, or Google Play Books. Marketing is crucial to the success of your ebook. Utilize social media, email newsletters, and book promotion websites to reach a wider audience. Engage with readers and ask for reviews to build credibility. Long-term earnings from book sales and royalties can be substantial. Once published, your ebook can continue to sell with little additional effort, providing a steady stream of income. 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based strategy where you earn commissions by promoting other companies' products or services. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you get a percentage of the sale. To choose the right products and platforms, start with well-known affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or Commission Junction. Select products that align with your niche and audience's interests. Promote products you genuinely believe in, as authenticity builds trust with your audience. To maximize affiliate income, create high-quality content that naturally incorporates your affiliate links. This can include blog posts, reviews, tutorials, and social media posts. Use SEO techniques to drive organic traffic to your content. Additionally, build an email list to reach your audience directly with product recommendations and updates. 6. Create a mobile app or software. Creating a mobile app or software can generate significant passive income if you develop a useful and in-demand product. Start with idea generation by identifying problems that need solving or gaps in the market. Research potential users and gather feedback to refine your concept. Once you have a solid idea, use platforms like App Store, Google Play, or even desktop software marketplaces to distribute your product. If you're not a developer, you can hire freelancers or agencies to build the app for you. Monetization strategies include in-app purchases, subscriptions, ads, and premium versions of your app. Choose a model that fits your target audience and provides value. Regular updates and improvements will keep users engaged and enhance your app's profitability. 7. Invest in real estate investment trusts. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate. They allow individuals to invest in large-scale, diversified portfolios of real estate assets through purchasing shares. The benefits of investing in REITs include regular dividend payments, as REITs are required to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders. This provides a steady stream of passive income. Additionally, REITs offer liquidity as they are traded on major stock exchanges, making it easy to buy and sell shares. Diversifying your investment portfolio with REITs can reduce risk and enhance returns. By including REITs, you gain exposure to real estate without the hassles of property management. Research different types of REITs, such as equity, mortgage, and hybrid REITs, to find the best fit for your investment goals. If you found these passive income ideas helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more wealth-building tips and strategies. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Remember, sharing is caring. Share this video with your friends and family who might also benefit from learning about passive income streams. For additional resources and further analysis, check out the link at the top of the video regarding financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.